Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at the OANDA mobile app, which is a game changer if you're looking for a new trading platform. I know recently we've been covering a lot of stuff that's been going on with a lot of traders losing access to trading platforms like MetaTrader. Well, in today's video, we're going to be showcasing one of my favorite alternatives for people who trade currencies, etc. And before we get too far into this video, let me just mention that this video is sponsored by OANDA, and I'm very thankful to be showcasing their platform to you guys, as I genuinely love the products that they offer. You can find more information and the full disclaimer about this down below in the description. So check this out. The mobile app has tons of features and trading is very, very seamless from within this platform. So let's go ahead and just jump in. I'm going to show you around what we have here. So if we just click on the far left, we have portfolio. So you can see a current position that I'm in. So all of your positions show up here, and it's really quite simple and straightforward. So your positions here will show up there. But then we can go to the next tab. We can take a look at instruments. So for example, we have all these different markets that we can look at. If we go to Forex, you can see there are just tons of currency pairs. If you're a currency trader, OANDA is the game changer for this. You have so many different variations, so many different options, everything from minor currency crosses to major currency crosses, etc. So we've got all these different options, and let's just say, for example, that we go to favorites here really quick, and let's just say we select dollar Swiss. Okay, so I've selected dollar Swiss, and you can see, of course, the chart here is now visible on my screen. I can change to any time frame I want. So here's like a 30-minute chart, and I can do all sorts of just kind of checking what the candles look like, etc. But then what gets kind of cool here, and this is my favorite feature of the entire app that I, wish more platforms would do. This is so cool that they do. If you slide over to this details section, when you are trading currencies, many of you guys have probably seen or heard or understand the idea of swaps, right? The overnight, expenses or credits to your account that you might receive or pay for holding a position overnight. It's a thing in currency trading. It's something you have to do. But what's so cool about OANDA's app here is that when I'm looking at dollar Swiss, I can actually see here the credit amount or the debit amount that would be taken from my account for holding a particular position. So let me show you, and I'm a carry trade advocate. I've traded the carry trade for many years. I love doing this, where you can basically hold on to a currency exchange and get paid to do so if you have a bullish position. I've got whole videos on that topic, but for the simplicity, let's just say that I was to buy the dollar Swiss, and I bought one lot, right? One standard lot, or 100,000 units. In this case, you can see that the annualized rate of return is 2.73%. Now what that comes out is to basically, just for holding the position overnight, I'm going to get paid a $7.47 credit to my account, or $7.48 if we round up, per 100,000 units that I hold. So if I hold 2 or 3 lots overnight, I'm going to get paid somewhere around $20 something just for holding that position. Now, at the same time, equally as important to you is that if you were to sell the dollar Swiss, you actually would have to pay for that overnight. So what I love here is the transparency that the app lets you see exactly how much swap rates and swap credits or debits are going to cost or credit your account for holding a particular position. Trading in the app is super easy. So let's just say I click this new order function. If I pull that up, it just pops up on the screen. I can show you basically, I can set up a market order, I can do an entry order, so on and so forth. And basically I can do whatever I want here on my little test account. If I want to do dollar yen, right, or whatever chart that I want, you can just switch to your favorite thing. It's very easy to essentially place trades, buy or sell, whatever you want to do on each position. And you have all of that data at your fingertips. Next up, check out this news feed. It's super convenient as you're scrolling through the app, whether you're on the go, whether you're sitting at your desk, whatever. If you want to keep an eye on the latest market news, you can do so by going to news, and you can also look at the alerts tab. I thought this was really cool too. There's an there's an alert that Brent crude, 15 minutes ago is doing something interesting. Retail sales numbers came out this morning. Boom, you can click that and it'll take you to the relative chart. Very, very cool, very handy to have that fundamental news data at your fingertips. But we're just getting started here because there's some really cool extra features that the app has. If I click on this technical analysis tab, I thought this was just so cool. So OANDA has a technical analysis tab, which is powered by AutoChartist, which is a very cool software and service that basically showcases all sorts of different technical ideas that are showing up. And so, for example, we have this 60-minute chart for Aussie and New Zealand. You can see there's an idea printed here, pound yen, on the 240-minute, which is, of course, the 4-hour chart. It comes with a probability, a forecast, etc. And you can see the markups and the breakdowns here. And these are constantly at your fingertips in the app. I think it's really cool. Here's Australian dollar, you know, on the daily chart, etc. So really cool just to have these ideas right directly on your phone. And there's also this trading opportunities tab, so we can see Aussie yen, there's setups there, USD JPY, and then also we can go to volatility analysis. Volatility analysis tool provides a comprehensive view of the expected price range movement of selected instruments. This information can be used to decide which instrument to trade for a specific time of day, as well as to set market appropriate exit levels. Very cool. And you can also actually set up messaging and alerts, which is really cool. You can set your session that you like to get notifications for, the OANDA FX market report, Forex, from AutoChartist, high impact economic news. So basically this app seems like it's kind of your one-stop shop for ideas, setups, alerts, things like that in the Forex market. Many of you guys probably remember the video that I did recently about OANDA's order book, which is one of my favorite features that they have. Allows you to look at their client positioning. Let's show you that as well. So check this out. So what we're looking at, of course, is the Euro USD, and we are looking at open orders. We can scroll in here. We can take a look at this and basically see where orders are kind of at, but we can also see positions. So the difference here, of course, orders are an order to buy, an order to sell, which I think is maybe kind of interesting, but also what's interesting is to look at the actual positioning, like where are traders already kind of positioned. So when we look at the euro, we can see that there seems to be quite a bit of orders on the buy side here below current price, as well as some sell orders as well. And of course you can switch to any chart you want. They have a ton of options here. It's very easy to use on the mobile. So very cool to see that. And we could also do another example. Let's take a look at another one that I like to look at is the yen crosses. Here it is, dollar yen. So I'm going to select dollar yen. And now what we can see here is that these are current open positions. And we can see that here directly within the app. So it seems like there's a lot of long positions piled, which are open, by the way, above current price. And we can switch over to orders as well. And we can see that there's a lot of orders here to sell, it seems like, above current price. So kind of interesting to see that as well, and take that as you will, right? You can use that in your analysis, and that's why the order book is available. We'll do one more for fun. We'll take a look at the pound against the US dollar, and you can see where it's currently trading, but then also orders here first this time. You can see there are orders below current price. Seems like there's a good number of orders below price to buy, and a good number of orders above to sell as well. Take a look at positions here as well. You can see there's kind of your same picture. We have the positions, a lot of traders in longs above current price and in shorts below current price. Always kind of an interesting thing to keep a close eye on is the order book. One thing I very much admire and why I have long-term been a user myself of OANDA is my admiration for the tools and things that they offer to their clients. They have a fleet of awesome different resources available to people who trade on their platform, including things like the order book. We did a video recently, which we'll pin in the top right hand of the screen, talking about some of the different indicators that they offer for MetaTrader. And by the way, they do still offer MetaTrader. So if you're insistent on getting back to MT4, check out that video as well. It might be useful to you. Again, some of the cool features that are available to their clients. If you're interested in checking out OANDA for yourself, we'll leave a link down below in the description for you to get some more information. And I should also mention that the link there also includes a sign-on bonus opportunity for people in the United States. There's some context that you'll need to check out for yourself, so please do your due diligence before signing up, but all the information will be found down below in the description. Thank you for watching. If you're looking to improve as a trader, we've got some cool free resources here that I wanted to share as we close today's video. Down below in the description, there is a link to join our Discord channel or our Telegram channel. And we also have our website, a1trading.com, where traders can get access to free course material to help you improve as a trader. Remember, we are also live Monday through Friday on this channel around 9:30 a.m. US Eastern, broadcasting most live news events and that sort of thing. So hope to see you there. And also, we do have a couple videos here showing up on the screen. If either of these seems like it might be helpful to you, then make sure to click here or here, and we'll see you there.